Hey internet, good morning. It's Eunice, and pardon my background. I just tested something very cool. And if you are using a MacBook and you have an iPhone, did you know that you can use your iPhone's camera as an extension um, camera? Let me show you how I did it. There you go. I'm currently using my iPhone's camera in recording this video, and earlier it was my MacBook's camera. Did you see the difference? It's not really flattering yung angle ng camera ko, but did you see the difference, the color and the sharpness of the subject, and how is my background a little bit blurry? I I'm just out of words, and it's just amazing if you're doing content creation or even recording tutorials for clients. This is very handy, diba? So that's just me sharing what I've discovered today. So I hope it helps those who are Apple users. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful Tuesday.